If Mr. Banfield, if you could just stand for a moment. All right, I'm just going to ask you a few questions, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, there we go.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Banfield, do you understand you have a constitutional right not to testify?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, could you speak up just a little bit for me? I'm sorry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
With this right, the jury cannot take it into consideration or hold it against you if you choose not to testify. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And I also would instruct them on this right. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. By testifying, you understand you waive this constitutional right.
Yes.
By testifying, do you understand that this waiver is unconditional? In other words, even if your attorney only asks you questions about certain topics, the Commonwealth will have the ability to ask you about other topics as well, even if they were not brought up on direct. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Have you discussed with your lawyer about testifying or not testifying?
Yes.
And after discussing it with him and considering what I just told you, is it your decision today to testify?
Yes.
And are you entering this decision to testify freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
All right. Sir, I do find your decision to testify has been made knowingly, intelligently, and with a knowledge of the consequence of the waiver, and I'll accept your waiver this time. You can have a seat, sir. All right. Are we ready for the jury?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Just to let counsel know, the jury can come on Friday, 10 o'clock to 4:30 p.m., okay? Somebody has an appointment at 4:30, and somebody's has an appointment at 9:30, or going to be here at 9:30, so, but they can do 10 to 4:30 on Friday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, perfect. Okay, that's fine. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Your next witness?
Your Honor, I call Brendan Banfield.
All right, could you just move the microphone up for you? There you go.
Your Honor, I call Brendan Banfield.
All right.
Do you swear or affirm to testify truthfully in this case under penalty of law?
I do.
Thank you.
Sir, can you state your name and spell your name for the court reporter?
Brendan Banfield, BrendanBanfield.
And Brendan, how old are you?
40.
And you were married to Christine Banfield, correct?
Yes.
And how long were you and Christine together?
We were together since we were 18.
And how did you meet?
We met freshman year at college at Quinnipiac University.
Now, where are you originally from?
I am from Long Island, New York.
And is that where you grew up?
Yes, I lived there the majority of my life.
Now, what prompted you to come down to Virginia?
I received a promotion from my job with the Internal Revenue Service. I previously was a tax compliance officer, and I received a promotion to special agent with IRS criminal investigation.
Okay, we'll get back to that later. Let's talk about your family. Before Christine's death, describe for the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what your family was.
My family was me, Christine, and my daughter Valerie.
And what kind of things would you do? Well, prior to you having Valerie, what kind of things would you and Christine enjoy together?
Christine and I had a very active social life. We spent a lot of time with our friends. This included playing board games and cards, as well as going on vacations together, and going on vacations with other couples that we were friends with. We did a lot of hiking, going to different forests and different mountains kind of around the country. We also spent some time, we played kickball together. We did quite a bit intramurally.
Okay. And when Valerie came along, were you in New York or were you in Virginia?
We were still in New York at that point.
Okay. And so how old was she when you left New York?
She was not one yet. She was 10, 11 months.
Okay. Now, what kind of things, and sorry, once again, before Valerie, what kind of things would, in addition to the hiking, what kind of things would you and Christine enjoy doing together?
I would say that we spent a lot of time together. When we weren't working, we did a lot of work around our house. We had two dogs, two huskies that we took care of. We're often taking them on our walks and hikes.
And so, in addition to those things, you also both worked?
Yes.
And what did Christine do for work?
Christine had several different jobs. Her primary position was as a pediatric intensive care unit nurse. At other points, she did private health care for an individual family. She also did some product training for medical devices, and she also worked as a sexual assault nurse examiner for several years.
Okay. And where was that? Was that in New York?
Those were in New York, and when we came to Virginia, she continued as a pediatric intensive care unit nurse and trainer for Inova here in Virginia.
Okay. Now, in terms of your work, when you were in New York, what did you do?
So